quick bonus video today on eliminating the play in the throttle control on many modern Triumph and Ducati motorbikes. I've been told that the play was deliberately engineered into the electronic throttle at the factory so as to mimic the feel of a cable throttle. Well, maybe it was, but I find it annoying on my Speed Twin, especially at low speed, and I want to get rid of it. So I ordered a kit from Ducati Spaces in the US back in August, and true to form, Portuguese Customs and Postal Service delivered it at the end of December. The kit contained these two small plastic rectangular spacers and a weird tri-wing bit designed to allow you to remove the anti-tamper screws on the throttle housing. And this is where I hit the first obstacle. It would appear that Triumph have changed the design of their screws on the 2022 bikes because you actually need a 2.7mm triangular bit like this. Fortunately, I bought this set of bits for annoying anti-tamper screws a few weeks ago to open up my Dell laptop, and so already had the right bit. But be advised that the one supplied by Ducati Spaces, at least at the time I ordered the kit back in the summer of 2021, does not fit. Separate sets of triangular bits are available from Amazon for around €7 or €8, and I'll put a link in the description. The next stage is just reading through what I would now consider unnecessarily detailed instructions. 20 stages to basically state the obvious. Undo the 4 screws, open up the housing, remove the top half and wiggle on the 2 red spacers. That's really all there is to it. It's literally a 5-minute job from start to finish. A bit fiddly, but certainly not as involved as the instructions would have you believe. Expensive what they are, around €40 for 2 tiny 3D, I think, printed bits of plastic and a useless bit, but the result is worth the outlay. Hope this has been of some use, and as always, thanks for watching.